Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Tailwind CSS to speed up affiliate landing pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Node.js installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your project. Navigate into your project directory. Run the command npm init to create a package.json file. Next, install Tailwind CSS using npm. You can do this by running npm install tailwinds. After the installation, generate the Tailwind configuration files by executing npx tailwinds init. This command will create a tailwind.config.js file in your project folder. Open the tailwind.config.js file. In this file, you'll want to configure the content paths. Add the paths to all your HTML files and any JavaScript or Vue files that will use Tailwind CSS. Save and close the configuration file. Now, create a new CSS file in your project directory. You can name this file styles.css. In your styles.css file, include the Tailwind directives. Start with add Tailwind base. Then add Tailwind components. Finally, include Tailwind utilities. Next, you need to build your Tailwind CSS. Create a script in your package.json to facilitate this. Under the scripts section, add build tailwind /styles.csso/dist/output.css watch. This specifies the input and output for your CSS files. Now, create a dist folder in your project directory. This is where your built CSS file will be saved. Open your terminal again and run npm run build. This command will start watching your CSS file for changes. Create an HTML file in your project directory. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.